It's week 1 of this game design development project, and I'm gonna document the entire process through videos. These videos are gonna be more focused on my personal experience. I'm gonna talk specifically on my individual contributions, although I'm gonna show and explain what we as a team would build. But the idea for me is to have this as a personal process. There will be a lot of mistakes, especially in my usage of English, but I'm not gonna fix them because the idea really is not to. This video shouldn't take me too much. In this week, we formed a group. We met just to get to know each other and understand our abilities, and set some clear steps in terms of what do we want to build, what will be interesting to have as an outcome. We decided to go with Unity as a game engine. I was very excited to explore Unreal, but at the end, the entire team was more comfortable using Unity, so we decided to go with Unity, but we haven't decided on a topic yet. During the first session, we share some ideas, we share some initial thoughts of what could be interesting to develop and what we like about video games and what kind of other references we have. Went through different genres and see like the cons and pros of developing these games, and vote for our favorite. I took all the comments that we discussed to identify common thoughts. It was useful in a way in which we now have a clear idea of what do we all want to build or what drives us in game development. And then we decided to start developing ideas, and we met on Friday to discuss some of the ideas that we thought could be interesting to make a game out of it. These are some super simple ideas for the game that are realistically feasible in the time that we have for this game, that is 3 months, to develop a vertical slide. In the next week, I will show you the idea that I developed with more details, and also the result of us voting and presenting other ideas. And hopefully next week we're gonna have a clear final concept to present on the first week of April. So that's the plan, that's the goal. So the format of these videos are gonna be talk about what I did on the week, also the team, what we accomplished, and also go through my process, the things that I could have been better, and also share the results and my reflections on those results. And lastly, explain what are the next steps in the process. I'm gonna post these videos weekly, perhaps every Sunday, to keep track of things. I'm gonna keep these videos very informal. Try to keep it not very cringe, so I can go back and watch the video and don't feel uncomfortable of what I'm saying here. And if someone is looking at this and is planning to start a career, game development, or new media technology, or digital design, or creative programming, I hope this be a useful resource. So yeah, that's it. See you next week.